Hey everyone, I'm Nibha and I have started my journey of English learning, and today I am going to take some example of compliments when we feel good about food, yeah, when we feel anyone, any person looking beautiful, what compliment we have to say. Today is my compliment example video, and when you want to improve your English and want to make your English professional, please connect with me. I'm also a beginner and I have started my journey to become a fluent person, beginner to fluent person, and I have learned all these things from dear sir videos. He launched free course on YouTube. I loved his course very much, and the process of he teach everything. It's very elegant. I am very impressed by his things to represent all the things very easy and proper way. Let's start our video, and today our video is on compliment. Let's start. For example, on the basis of looks, compliments, we're going to take compliments. First example, we have to say like this: you are looking gorgeous. Anybody looking good and beautiful, we have to say like this: you are looking gorgeous. We have to stress on the word like gorgeous. This thing is very important. Some words is important to give a stress on that, like gorgeous. Repeat after me: you are looking gorgeous. Please repeat with me, because when you not repeat, you have not improved your English. You have to repeat, because repetition is best key to improve your English and your things. Second example, we have to say: you are looking amazing today. You are looking amazing today. Please repeat. And third example, you look beautiful in that dress. You look beautiful in that dress. And fourth example, you are looking handsome. You are looking handsome. And the look, on the basis of look, our examples is completed, and come to the food. When we eat food, and we have to compliment what we say. First, the food is amazing. When we feel good and we feel what a food is, when we have to say the food is amazing. And second, this is so tasty. This is so tasty. When we feel like that we can't explain it what a taste good is, we have to compliment. We have not to feel inside. We have to express outside. We have to say in English. That's why when we said in English in a simple sentences, then our English is goes improve every day. Third example, it's mouth watering. It's mouth watering. जैसे हम लोग कुछ खाते हैं और मुंह में पानी आ जाए उसके नाम सुन के ही, तो हम लोग को ये कहना है it's mouth watering. Repeat after me: it's mouth watering. And example 4, it's look appetizing. It's look appetizing. And on the basis of looks and food, our compliment is completed. And next, move to the daily life words, everyday use. When we feel good, we have to say good luck. And let's move to the next topic on the daily life. डेली लाइफ में हम लोग को क्या क्या सेंटेंसेस यूज करना है उसके बारे में आज बात करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, गुड जॉब. If anybody do good job, you itself do your work very well, you have to say yourself and another person good job. And second example, well done. This is use good job and well done both places. And third example is that's a nice idea. That's a nice idea. We have to repeat after me. You have to repeat after me, because don't repeat with me, you have not improved. Please repeat after me. And for example, that's really helpful. That's really helpful. You have to use these sentences in your life and your work, because if you use these little sentences, you are looking impressive and your personality improve. And example fifth, you are thoughtful. You are thoughtful. And fifth example, you are fun to be around. You are fun to be around. And move to the next example. That's a very good question. That's a very good question. I hope you all like these some sentences I take on the compliment, on the basis of look, on food and daily life. You have to use these sentences in your daily life and everyday routine. If you use these little sentences, you go ahead of your improvement of English. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.